Why does crypto even have value? Unlike stocks, crypto doesn't pay dividends. Unlike gold, you can't touch it. And unlike cash, it's not issued by a government. So, what makes crypto worth so much? By the end of this video, you'll finally understand why. The first factor that gives crypto value is scarcity. Take Bitcoin for example. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That there is coded into the system. There's no government, no company, no central bank that can print anymore. That limited supply makes Bitcoin similar to digital gold because people know it can't be inflated away, which is a big deal in a world where inflation is a growing concern. But scarcity alone isn't enough. A rock can be rare and it's still worthless. That's where utility comes in. Cryptocurrencies that are actually used for something, whether it be sending money across borders, powering decentralized applications, or securing a blockchain network, these coins tend to have more staying power. Ethereum is a perfect example. It's used every day to pay for gas fees when interacting with smart contracts or decentralized apps. That real usage creates demand. Next, let's talk about trust in the technology, because it's a big reason people see long-term value in crypto. Every cryptocurrency runs on a blockchain, which is a public digital ledger that records transactions. What makes it powerful is that it's decentralized. Thousands of computers verify each transaction, making the system secure and hard to tamper with. That transparency builds trust. The rules are built into the code, like how many coins can ever exist and how they're created. No one can secretly change the supply or rig the system. It's open, predictable, and resistant to censorship. Newer blockchains like Solana or Sui are improving speed and lowering fees. As the technology evolves and real-world use cases expand, people see more value in the entire crypto space. It's like investing in the early days of the internet. The foundation matters. Now let's talk about networks. And this is where things get really powerful. Crypto becomes more valuable as more people use it. This is called the network effect. Just like social media becomes more useful when your friends join, a cryptocurrency becomes more valuable when more people, apps, and businesses start using it. For example, when companies begin accepting Bitcoin as payment, or when developers build hundreds of apps on Ethereum or Solana, it boosts the entire ecosystem. The bigger the network, the more valuable the asset becomes. Another layer of value comes from decentralization. Traditional money is controlled by governments and banks, but crypto operates peer-to-peer. There's no middleman. That means more financial freedom, especially in countries where people don't trust their banks or governments. For millions of people around the world, crypto is more than an investment. It's a lifeline. It gives them access to money, banking, and protection from inflation where traditional systems fail. Next is community, and it's more important than you might think. A strong, active community gives a crypto project life. Developers write code and build apps. Creators explain how it works. Users test, promote, and improve the system. It's a full ecosystem of people pushing the project forward. Ethereum is a perfect example. Sure, it has powerful tech. What really makes it valuable is the number of developers building it, users interacting with apps, and people worldwide talking about it. That energy keeps the project growing and adapting, even when the prices dip. On the flip side, a coin without an active community usually fades away, even if it has solid technology. Crypto isn't just about code. It's about the people who believe in it, use it, and keep it alive. Finally, let's be real. A huge part of what gives crypto value is speculation. A lot of people buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins not because they fully understand them, but because they believe the price will go up. Speculation drives demand, especially during the bull markets when hype, media, attention, and FOMO kick in. I actually got into crypto through speculation. I first heard about Bitcoin over 12 years ago when my best friend told me he just bought one. Back then it sounded crazy. He kept saying it was the next big thing, but I didn't really pay attention. It wasn't until about 4 years later when I saw how much money he'd made that I finally bought some myself. Not because I understood it, but because I thought the price would go up. And while speculation sometimes gets a bad rap, It's also what attracts attention, liquidity, and eventually adoption. Just like the early .com era, people chasing gains often stick around long enough to start learning what they actually bought. In the long run, speculation can be the gateway to understanding and using the underlying tech. So now you know, crypto isn't just internet magic money. Its value comes from the scarcity, utility, trust, networks, and people. Just like anything else that lasts. If you found this helpful, check out the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.